I created a tutorial in Embrillance to demonstrate how to make your own alphabet quilt markers using Stitch Artist 1 and Enthusiast. The first step after opening a blank design is to create a box for the marker. The simple way is to go to the gearbox and select the square. Next, edit the size of the square. I elected to go with a 1 inch by 1 inch. Next, you need to apply a stitch type to that box. I elected to go with a satin stitch. I do select tied entry and tied exit to make sure there's no unraveling of the square. Next, you will want to add letters by selecting the A from the toolbar. You will automatically get the A, B, and C block letter. You can change the font if you so choose. Now edit the letter to adjust the A and center it inside the box. You will want to select both the box and the letter, copy and paste to fill up the row, adjust each letter accordingly, and then copy the row. Adjust the letters, repeat with the copy, paste, and adjust. I used a basic 5x7 hoop since a majority of users have that size, but if you have a larger hoop, feel free to go larger and get the entire alphabet. Once you have all your letters, you'll want to color sort so we don't have to waste time on color changes. If you have Enthusiast, go to the menu bar, select Utility, then Color Sort. New View, and the software has sorted them for you, so now you only have one color change. If you don't have Enthusiast, you can move the individual steps manually to get the same effect. If you don't have Stitch Artist, you have two options. First, you can use a satin stitch from another file, or you can leave out the box altogether and just use the letters. I hope this helps you make lots of markers and lots of blocks and lots of quilts. Enjoy your day.